Hey everyone, welcome back. You're watching Nia and Amie's Creative Land. It's Amie here. So it's been around 3 to 4 months since my last video. So I thought I'd upload something which every beginner must know, and that's the basics. And of course, I'll continue this drawing series in my future videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell beside the subscribe button. So let's get started. For drawing the basics, you'll need a pencil and a paper. You can even take a regular pencil as an alternative for HB pencil. Make sure you hold the pencil while leaving 2-finger spacing. Let's start drawing a line. Practice drawing straight lines, slant lines and vertical lines, and that helps you improve your drawing skills. Draw lines going through both the directions. Alright, now let's start drawing circles. Drawing circles also helps you get a nice flow to your hands. Practice them going clockwise and counterclockwise directions. So now let's make some oval shape. Drawing these basic shapes is a great warm-up activity for beginners as well as professionals. They help you improve your drawing skills. Now let's draw some smaller lines. Continue practicing from right to left and left to right. You can even draw textures using these smaller lines. Now let's draw some basic shapes and try to fill smaller lines within these. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. See you soon with new creative ideas.